Space Coast foodies, friends, and fabulous neighbors. It's your favorite high-energy, dachshund-loving realtor and backyard party queen, bringing you the lowdown on how to throw a crawfish boil that's as unforgettable as a rocket launch from the Cape. Whether you're a southern soul at heart or just crawfish curious, you're about to learn how to turn your backyard into a spicy seafood celebration, Florida style. What's a crawfish boil anyway? A crawfish boil is a good old-fashioned southern get-together where family and friends gather around a big old pot of seasoned boiling water filled with crawfish, potatoes, corn, sausage, garlic, and anything else your heart desires. It's messy, it's spicy, it's loud, and that's the whole point. Think backyard bash meets Cajun cook-off. It's less fine dining and more grab a paper towel and dive in. What you'll need to throw in your own boil. Ingredients: 30 to 40 pounds of live crawfish. Feeds about 10 to 15 people. 5 pounds red potatoes. 8 ears of corn broken in half. 2 pounds andouille sausage sliced. 1 to 2 lemons halved. A head of garlic halved. Yes, throw the whole thing in. 1 to 2 onions, peeled and quartered. Cajun seasoning. Zatarain's or Slap Your Mama are the classic go-tos. Optional: mushrooms, green beans, artichokes, or even pineapple for a wild twist. Equipment: large stock pot with strainer insert, at least a 60 to 80 quart. Propane burner, unless you've got a stovetop big enough for 40 pounds of cray-cray. Large cooler for purging and keeping those crawfish happy pre-boil. Table, newspaper, and lots of napkins. Step by step, how to host the ultimate crawfish boil. Number 1, purge the crawfish. Before the party gets started, rinse your crawfish in a cooler or large tub of cool water. You can use a little salt to help them purge. Clean out their digestive systems. Rinse until the water runs clear. This part's important, folks. Nobody wants a muddy bug buffet. Number 2, prep your boil. Fill your pot about halfway with water. Add a ton of Cajun seasoning, squeeze in lemons, toss in onions and garlic, and fire it up. Let it come to a rolling boil. Then we're going to cook in layers. Start with your potatoes and sausage. They take the longest. After 10 to 15 minutes, toss in the corn and any extras. Mushrooms, anyone? Let those boil another 5 to 7 minutes. Then add the crawfish. Time for the main event. Dump in your crawfish. Give it a good stir and let them boil 3 to 5 minutes max. Turn off the heat and let them soak in the seasoned water for another 20 to 30 minutes. This is when they really soak up that flavor. Stir occasionally and taste test a few. Chef's perks. Drain and serve. Drain that pot and spread everything out on a big table covered in newspaper or butcher paper. No plates needed. This is a hands-on, finger-licking goodness. Pro party tips from your favorite realtor. Play Zecco or beachy tunes. I mean, we're Floridians. We can make any party a beach party. Stock cold drinks. Iced tea, lemonade, and a cooler full of brews. Bring extra napkins and paper towels. You'll thank me later. Set up a hand washing station. Or a garden hose if you're keeping it country. Have fun games for the kids, because if they're happy, everybody's happy. Crawfish boil plus dream homes? You better believe it. One of the best things about living on the Space Coast is having the kind of weather and neighbors that make these outdoor gatherings possible almost year-round. Big backyard? Cozy porch. Lakeside picnic table. If you're dreaming about your perfect party-friendly home, I've got just the listing for you. Start your home search today. Text or call me at 321-480-7662. I might be up to my elbows in crawfish, but I'll call you right back. Check out fun virtual tours here at my YouTube channel. So fire up that pot, invite the neighbors, and get to boiling, because life's too short not to eat with your hands once in a while. Stay spicy, Space Coast. Love, Margaret. Your crawfish boiling, house selling, fun loving realtor.